Hi, Assalamualaikum to my lecturer Encik Samsuni Zambi Abdul Rahim and my fellow friends. So our group members would like to present about the workplace environment and agronomics. So before we start, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zam bin Waradwan. My metric number is 23-LS-NTF2050 and I'm from class DLS3B. So today I would like to present about the introduction of agronomics. So agronomics is the study how people work. According to OSHA, it is the practice how designing a job to fit a person rather than forcing the employee body to fit the job. This procedure is to reduce physical stress on the body and prevent potential crippling work-related disorders. Ergonomics are commonly used in employee workstation. This may involve choosing customized desks and chairs that customize to each individual body type and provide employee with ergonomic keyboards and wrist rests to help them type more comfortably. Next, I would like to present about the principle of ergonomics. The first one is work at proper height, meaning that working at proper height is the next principle of ergonomics. This will explain in getting a suitable height make things way easier. For example, if the chair is too high, our hand and shoulder will have felt uncomfortable to reach the desk. On the other hand, if the chair is too high, our hand and shoulder will experience sorrow as we need to experience extra force to reach the desk. The second point is working in natural posture, meaning that working in natural posture, which is very necessary because doing work, assignment and attending class are mainly sitting on a chair. Other than that, working with the C curve for an extended period of time might produce strength because it can lead to harm of the body. It can harm the body of the harm is serious. Lastly, working in natural posture by keeping the proper alignment of neck and has wrist to help in getting a good posture where you can sit comfortably while doing work. The third point is move, exercise and strength, meaning that do it when you can because it is better to take intervals between the works and strength. There are some benefits we can obtain by doing stretching to make the blood circulation because smoother thus the oxygen can be supplied to every part of your cells. Strength also can reduce the risk of injuries and sore muscle after workout. In conclusion, study shows the people how highly rise get tender when they don't stretch. The last point is maintain for comfortable environment, meaning that this principle is focused on the other compartment of the working environment, which is the lighting, space and cool air and others. One of the factors to be successful person is to have an effective environment based on the character state. Low level of humidity can worsen the respiratory and skin condition. Same goes to surrounding and narrow space. Having some fresh air, a brighter space and tidy table will make the working environment better. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hello to my lecturer and friends. My name is Muhammad Manuddin bin Saruni. My metric number is 23-DLS-90F2020 in class DLS3B. Today I want to talk about the bad agronomy about chair. First evidence is back pain. Back pain is the one of the most common problem that people face. Poor sitting posture fits to the back pain and inflexible spine and disc damage, which frequent movements the disc between the vertebrae in the spine soften, allowing blood and nutrients to flow. The disc will become unstable if you sit for an extended period of the time which the incorrect body posture. The next evidence is there are no armrests. This will leave a person with nowhere to lean while sitting for an extended period of time in a chair, causing the hands to become tired when perform tasks such as reading, facing the laptop and other. the last evidence is set height range. What we can see in the picture, the person is unable to adjust the set height to her comfort level because the bed ergonomic chair do not have a seat adjusted. Since it's a fixed height chair, it will be uncomfortable to do her works. The person might get neck pain if the set height is not in the comfort level.
Hi, Assalamualaikum to sir. My name is Muhammad Shahir bin Masyaimi. My matrix number is 23 DLS 19F 2004. I'm from class DLS 3B. So today I'm going to explain about the solution of this problem. So the first solution is using a headrest because it reduces tension in the shoulder and upper torso by supporting the back of the head and upper neck. Second one is backrest. The user can alter the backrest to support their natural spine posture more specifically with an adjustable backrest, allowing for more personalized placement. Using this function through the day allows the backrest to support your upper body and relieve pressure on your spinal disc and muscle. So next is a hip pillow. It important component of an ergonomic chair because the support supply to your lower back. The hip pillow maintain the natural S from the form of the spine, preventing the back pain. So the fourth one is the seat width and depth. The distance between the border of the seat and the back of your knee should be between 2 and 4 inches. For the next one is the armrest. Armrest serves to relax the shoulder, relieve tension in the upper body when typing. However, armrest should not be used since they limit general arm movement. So for the seat solution is the ideal of seat height allow you to place your feet flat on the floor by selecting a chair with adjustable seat height. Seating height ranging from 16 to 21 inches from the floor are ideal for the majority of the people. So for the seventh solution is a good material. A good ergonomic chair is made of soft material that are easy to sit in. The material should not cause wearing of the user back. The material used, however, will determine the budget. High ergonomic chair will be made of the leather or velvet. For the next solution is wheel. Make it easier to move the chair if the chair will be used on the hard surface. Go for one soft rubber wheel if your job or home office is carpeted. Firm wheel will make easier to travel. Next is the swivel. The swivel is an ergonomic chair adds use maneuverability, making it easier to reach various points of their desk without straining excessively. So the last solution is have a cup holder. It because to position the cup, this allows the user to place and pick up the cup more easily while sitting on the chair. Okay, for the next is I'm going to discuss about the cost of the chair. The material we use is a very good material. So for the armrest is 60 ringgit, design plan is 70 ringgit, fabric part is 45 ringgit, mesh part is 55 ringgit, mechanism is 85 ringgit, gas cylinder is 40 ringgit, wheel is 55 ringgit, chair base with caster is 45 ringgit, task chair control is 50 ringgit. The paint we use for the chair the total paint is 35 ringgit. The plastic part we use is 55 ringgit. The screw is 20 ringgit. So the total cost of this chair is 610 ringgit. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Faris Adam Muhammad Salahuddin. My matrix number is 23 DLS 19F 2028. Today I would like to talk about the conclusion of workplace environment and ergonomic. Okay. First of all, this view the most important function of a chair is to help one find and such a posture. Note that posture can change minute to minute or even moment to moment, which make this a big ask of one's chair, unless one has an active chair. This is a chair that adapt in real time to change. A good chair provide proper lumbar and pelvic support, which result in your back muscle being less stressed. Then with the lumbar and pelvic can support come better posture, better breathing and less fatigue. So do yourself a favor and give your wood chair a good hard look and see how it measure up. So the way to make uncomfortable chair more are to make sure the chair is set to the proper height. The proper height for your chair is where your 2 feet are flat on the floor, which your knees been at a 90 degrees angle. Then the last one, to make a comfortable chair